Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create task labels by project phase in TODOIST. So let's get started. First off, open up your TODOIST and navigate to the project where you want to create task labels. This is the starting point because TODOIST organizes tasks by project, and labels help us filter tasks within each project. Next up, click on the task you want to label. You'll find an icon that looks like a tag. Click on it. The reason we do this is because this is where you add labels. Labels help us categorize our tasks and make it easier to filter and find them later. Now, type in the name of your project phase, like planning or execution, and hit enter. This helps us because it allows us to categorize our tasks by the phase of the project they belong to, making it easier to manage the workflow. Once you've created your label, just click anywhere outside the task to save your changes. At this point, you might be thinking, why is this important? Well, this step is crucial as it ensures your new label is saved and ready to use. Now that we've done that, you can repeat these steps for all the tasks you want to label. Remember, the more organized your tasks, the easier it will be to manage your project. And that's it. You've just learned how to create task labels by project phase in TODOIST. This simple process can significantly enhance your project management efficiency, so start labeling and take control of your tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.